All right, Eli, today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry salad. Actually, Grandmama's going to show us how to make it. She used to make it when I was growing up and I loved it. And she would make it at like special occasions, maybe for a Wednesday night dinner at church, right? Or family occasions. And it's really good. It's one of my favorite desserts growing up. And it's a very complicated recipe and it's hard to read on this old card, but we'll try to get it right. All right, first, what do you start with, Mom?
Graham crackers.
Graham crackers, a tablespoon of sugar, and 1 stick of butter. The card says margarine because my mom tortured us and made us eat margarine growing up. But once I grew up and tasted real butter, I figured out that she was lying to us all these years, saying that margarine's better. All right. We need 2 3/4 cups of this graham cracker crust. Forgot to measure that out first. Yeah, we'll get a cup right here. There goes a 3/4 cup, and we'll get this cup. All right, so let's measure out 2 cups. Actually, I can just do this whole cup for everything. And that's about 2 3/4. Dump it in here. And have a little bit left over. Thanks, Mama. We're going to add our tablespoon of sugar. I'm making this like I've made it before. I've never made it, so maybe, am I doing it right?
Sure.
All right. And then do you like do a well to put the butter in? How do you normally do the butter?
I just pour it in.
All right, well here, pour it in for me. Good. All right. And you just mix it? Or are you supposed to mix it with your hands?
Spoon works.
I don't know what that means, but okay.
No.
No, you're not supposed to mix it with your hands?
No.
Okay.
Not till you put it in the pan, and then you can mash it down with the back of a spoon or your hands.
Okay. This is quite entertaining for Eli to watch. Eli, you do like, I know you're a very picky eater, but I'm pretty sure your little...
Wait, it stopped and I didn't do anything.
All right, we had a little bit of a camera problem. For some reason, the camera that stops filming on Jody as she's holding it. So she's gonna keep an eye to make sure that we keep recording. She swears her finger didn't hit the button on the camera. All right, do we need to grease this or anything? No, just drop it right on in there.
Stick of butter in it.
Oh yeah, it does have a stick of butter in the graham cracker crust. And Eli, when we got cut off, I was saying, I think you may, I know you're a picky eater, but you may eat this. You like cookies, and that's basically graham crackers. And that's what's in it, and I'm pretty sure you like everything else. This seems like a very thick crust.
It is.
Did we use too much?
Mm-mm.
No? Okay. Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah. Really hard down.
Oh, so I gotta push it down really hard. With my fingers or hands?
You can.
Okay, I washed my hands.
I think it'll be easier with your hand, Trev.
Yeah.
I know, I'm just trying to get it base done. Thanks for the help, cameraman. All right. Oh yeah, it's compressing a lot. Mm-hmm. So I'll do the sides to get the fingerprints off. Oh yeah, this works really good. Alright. I think we've got a good crust going. Did I miss a spot? Alright, so we put 2 3/4 cups of graham crackers. Probably 2.5 might work. Alright, that good enough for you?
That's good.
Okay. Wash my hands off. Alright, so what's the next step? This is basically a 4-step process, right?
Mix your
Okay.
Jello first.
So the first step was graham cracker crust. The next step is mixing lemon jello, and my mom bought the sugar-free. A cup of water. I got it. Thank you. Lemon jello, sugar-free. A cup of hot water. And what's up to?
You might want to chop instead of putting the whole thing at one time.
Just chop it up into little pieces. Okay. Okay, and then a stick of cream cheese. And basically 8 ounces. So it's a 4-step process, but these next 2 steps are kind of combined together. We're gonna do this. And so we're gonna mix this together. And this is gonna be the second layer. So you have the graham cracker layer, then you're gonna have a sort of a cream cheese, creamy second layer, and then the top layer is going to be strawberry jello with strawberries in it. So we'll get this done. And Jody's mom actually makes a strawberry pie, which is really good, and we'll probably do a video on that at some point in time. So it's really not easy to dissolve cream cheese in hot water.
That was gone.
Yeah, I should probably use my hands for this too. So, yeah, so we used to have this all the time. I remember at the Price reunions, Billy McCullen used to always, Billy McCullen, what?
Keith Anderson.
No, it was Billy McCullen would say he's going to eat all the strawberry salad. You think it was Keith that said it?
I did. You and
Maybe
Keith had
it
a
was.
fight over the last piece.
Maybe it was me and Keith fighting over it. I don't know. Over the last piece of strawberry salad. Oh, those were fun times. We used to always have really good food and a lot of fun times together. So, yeah, I remember, speaking of Billy, I remember we used to go, when I was a teenager, he would come get me and I'd go spend the night with him and Ginger when they first got married. They'd take me out to eat. I think we did some work on his carport one time. He showed me how to build the columns for it. It was a lot of fun. So, I don't know if this is gonna get, is this good enough? How mixed together do you have to get it? There's still little chunks in there. I'll let you do that part while I do the second half of the second step, which is we're gonna combine a can of Carnation's evaporated milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, There's our 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And there's the lid. And there was something else that needed to be in there. Oh, a cup of sugar. And that's my mom's dog, Bella, Eli. And I think you should remember Bella. So, all right. Oh, this dissolves much easier than that did. All right. So now we've got. Should I get a whisk, maybe?
Okay. I do whisks.
Yeah. I think a whisk may work better. Oh yeah. So if you're making this at home, Eli, you might want to use a whisk. Once you get it all kind of smashed together. All right, let's, can you whisk it while I put this in?
Sure.
The sugar's not quite dissolved, but there you go. Okay, so we've combined our 2 parts of the mixture. And I'll take a picture of this card and put it,
After you put it on.
and put the instructions in the description after we do this. So I'll have a copy of it too. All right, you just pour this in?
Easy.
Easy.
Because you're not the graham crackers yet.
Okay, so I'll put the spoon down to kind of get a nice level pour. There we go.
So you have in the corners.
And then I'll kind of get it in the corners. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the refrigerator and let it chill for how long? 30 minutes?
At least.
At least 30 minutes.
Got to harden.
There we go. And then we're going to come back and we're going to do the jello, strawberry jello and strawberries topping for it. So let's put this in here. All right, Eli, we're back. We have sat this. It's been in the refrigerator for about an hour. Now we're going to make the strawberry jello with strawberries in it, and pour over it. I was thinking if we just put the strawberries on it, it might be easier than putting them in that and trying to mix them out. Because we're using fresh, thinly sliced strawberries that have been in the refrigerator. So we'll mix up.
Here.
What's that? Oh, it's paper on. I think that is.
On there.
All right. So we got our strawberry jello, and this was a cup of hot water that you mixed in with it. All right. Well, you mix it. I'll put the strawberries down. And again, I washed my hands really good, so
Oh, you need more than that.
yeah.
People like strawberries.
Yeah, we're getting there. And the recipe calls for 9 ounces of frozen strawberries, 10 ounces of frozen strawberries. Are you sure it says 10? Yeah. But I don't know exactly the equivalent of fresh strawberries, but this is This is a pint of cut up strawberries. You think that's good?
Fill in some of your gaps. It'd be like, put a lot, because that'll be like banana pudding with 3 slices of banana in it.
Yes. And I'm going to do a banana pudding. Actually, I'm not going to do a banana pudding. Jody, Eli, JoJo's going to do a banana pudding for you because she makes really good homemade banana pudding. And I don't mind if I go out to like a barbecue place and they use just, you know, vanilla pudding instead of custard, and they do whatever with banana pudding. But I went to Smithfield Barbecue like a couple of years ago and just got a cup of their banana pudding, and basically it was just banana flavored pudding. No vanilla wafers in it, no bananas, and oh, I got so mad. They shouldn't even be called a barbecue place if they have fake banana pudding. I mean, they could have at least tried and just had vanilla pudding with bananas in it.
It's not called a banana place, it's called barbecue place.
Still, don't even serve with the banana pudding then if you can't do it at least halfway right. Anyway, we'll do one of those for you sometime. Here, and I'll put a few in here.
Just put the rest of them.
We'll put the rest of them in there. This is going to be very strawberry. All right. Now the trick is to pour it without messing up the second layer, right? So that it looks nice. So I'll just pour it over the spoon. We'll have some of the strawberries come up while we do it.
Around the edges, so you don't roll in the middle.
Around the edges. I hear you.
I can't stand it. Can I put that in the video?
Okay, and you can fix it. All right. And that is it. And we'll put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. We're actually in the mountains this weekend visiting my mom, Eli, your grandmama. So JoJo and I are going to go hiking for a few hours this afternoon, and when we get back, we'll cut into this and let you know how it tastes. All right, bye for now. All right, Eli, we're back. It's been in the refrigerator all afternoon, so we're going to try the strawberry salad. And I'm assuming you do 3 across the top, right? Maybe?
Ever how many you want?
Okay.
Just cut you.
It looks good. It seems to come out really easily. All right, here we go. We'll try it. All right, there goes the side profile of it, and I'll try it. Yeah, it tastes just like it did growing up, so good job showing me how to make it. So this is, Eli, this is how to make strawberry salad. Maybe I'll make it when we're up in Wisconsin visiting you. And you want to tell Eli bye?
Bye, Eli.
Bye, Eli. I love and miss you. I'll see you soon. Here, and JoJo will say bye to you too.
Bye, Eli. JoJo loves you.